All right, everyone, welcome back to Asphalt 99. Today, we're taking a look at a car that's trying to be two things at once: the sensible, safe family hauler we know and love, and a sleek, blacked-out machine with a bit of an ego. This is the 2025 Volvo XC90 Black Edition. Now, on the surface, this thing looks pretty cool, I'll give it that. Volvo has gone all in on the blackout trend. The paint is called Onyx Black, and every single piece of chrome trim you'd normally find has been replaced with glossy black. The grille, the badges, the window surrounds, everything. It even rides on big 22-inch black wheels. It definitely has presence on the road. It looks serious, and for some people, that's exactly what they want. It's the automotive equivalent of a black tuxedo. But let's be real for a second. While it looks menacing when it's perfectly clean, keeping a black car, especially with this much gloss black, looking pristine, is basically a full-time job. Every speck of dust, every fingerprint, every raindrop is going to show. So while it scores high on the cool factor, the practicality of living with this finish every day is something you really need to consider. Underneath all that black paint, it's still the XC90 T8 Recharge. That's their plug-in hybrid system, which gives you a very healthy 455 horsepower. It's quick, no doubt about it. The power delivery is smooth, and the transition from electric to gas is pretty seamless. You can do about 32 miles on pure electric, which is genuinely useful for school runs or commuting to the office without ever starting the engine. It's quiet, it's refined, and it's got that instant torque from the electric motor, which makes this big SUV feel surprisingly light on its feet. If you appreciate car reviews that look past the flashy marketing and talk about what these vehicles are actually like to own and drive day to day, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button. It's the best way to support the channel and help us keep bringing you honest, no-nonsense content. Inside, the black theme continues with a charcoal headliner and dark upholstery. It feels very premium, very cocooning. Volvo's seats are, as always, some of the most comfortable in the business. The minimalist cabin design is still here, dominated by that large vertical touchscreen. It's a very calm and collected place to be. But the question is, does this Black Edition package fundamentally change the XC90? I'd argue not really. It's an aesthetic package, a very well-executed one, but it's for a specific buyer. It's for the person who loves the safety, the comfort, and the practicality of the XC90, but wants it to look a little less, well, friendly. It's a style choice. You're not getting any extra performance or features that you couldn't get on a regular top trim XC90. You're paying for the look. And there's nothing wrong with that as long as you know what you're getting into. It's a very handsome, very powerful, and very comfortable family SUV that just happens to be dressed in its most intimidating outfit. In conclusion, the Volvo XC90 Black Edition is a sharp-looking package that adds a dose of aggression to a very sensible SUV. It's not a revolution, it's a restyling, a very effective one, but a restyling nonetheless. For real-world car reviews that give you the full picture, the pros and the cons, make sure you're subscribed to Asphalt 99. We're here to be your guide in the complex world of cars, helping you understand what's worth your hard-earned money. Stick with us, and you'll always be the most informed driver on the road.